The Lagos State Health Service Commission says that the sector will continue to embrace creativity and innovation for optimum service delivery in its hospitals. This was the focus of the 2020 Health Forum held in Lagos. Abimbola Agbebi has the story.
I see us having the best doctors on the continent of Africa practicing within our health system.
A gathering of health professionals in Lagos for the 2020 Health Forum. It is an annual event where experts in the sector come together to share ideas for improved healthcare system in the state.
This is the first time we are having this forum in succession. It's always an avenue for people to ventilate their view, opinion, and most times, since we have a diverse background, professional-wise, it allows a lot of us to actually hear our views.
The year 2020 has been a challenging one for the state and the global community due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Lagos, being the epicenter of the pandemic in Nigeria, has a story to tell in its efforts to keep the virus at bay.
Lagos has done very well, especially with the management of COVID-19 pandemic. Lagos is blazing the trail, and other states in the federation look up to Lagos. A lot of the technology deployed to the management of COVID-19 and the method of managing the COVID generally.
The goal of the health pillar.
For the state deputy governor, Obafemi Hamzat, and the man who has been in the eye of the storm, the state commissioner for health, Professor Akin Abayomi, there is no better time than now to talk about emerging trends in the sector and ways to addressing them.
Our belief is that in order for us to build a better nation, our health institution must be strengthened, easily accessible, because everybody has said health is synonymous with wealth. For this very important reason, we cannot afford to have a healthcare system that is drawn back by unnecessary bureaucracies and red tapeism, because that will be disastrous for all the citizens and leads to an enormous amount of ailment, complication of diseases, and loss of life.
I think it's time for us to really look inwards and start to remove some of these excessive bureaucratic processes that really slow down efficiency, and at the end of the day, we're always lagging behind.
Underfunding, poor infrastructure, and the comatose primary health care system are just a few of the challenges highlighted at the year 2020 Health Forum. However, professionals here believe that these can be addressed if certain bureaucracies spotted in the sector are reformed. Abimbola Agbebi, TVC News, Lagos.